What's going on, everyone? My name is D. Anthony with Evolution Traders. What we're going to be discussing in this video is an indicator that you can start using on your charts to help you stay on the right side of the trade. So how many of you guys sometimes feel like you're guessing where the market's going? The market opens up, it shoots down red. So you try to short it. Next thing you know, you're getting trapped. The market shoots up green. You get excited, you jump in long. Next thing you know, the market is down. This indicator is going to keep you on the right side of the trade. So even if you have not the most perfect entry, you can still profit and be in a good particular spot. So what we're looking at here is what's called pivot points. So if you go to your indicators, you go to your studies and you add pivot points, not persons pivots, just pivot points. You're going to get yesterday's pivot, which is a combined mathematical equation, however they come up with it, but it has to do with using yesterday's closing price with the high, low, things get averaged in together. I'm not that smart, but yesterday's pivot point is what we're going to be focusing on. So that's going to be this white dotted line that you see. If we are under yesterday's pivot point, typically the price action is bullish. Bearish. If we are over yesterday's pivot point, price action is bullish. Now, what you see here is support level 1, support level 2, resistance level 1, resistance level 2. So if we're trading over yesterday's pivot and you get long, you would be looking to take profits into resistance 1 and resistance 2. If we're trading under yesterday's pivot, you're looking to take profits at support 1 or support 2. So again, notice how when we open up, we stay hugging underneath yesterday's pivot. So automatically you need to be identifying in real time. And this is one thing I want you guys to focus on. Get better at executing in real time. Get better at critical thinking, because a lot of you traders out there suck at critical thinking, meaning you can't operate on the fly. Price action starts going, you get all confused, you're going long, short, short, long, short. Guys, calm down a little bit and use your brains, okay? We all have brains, let's use them. So if we're below yesterday's pivot, do I want to be long? No, I don't. I want to wait for a potential short setup so I can get short, okay? So notice, I'm going to use this 20 SMA. We're trading under, we're trading over, we're trading under, trading over, trading under. Now notice how when we break this structure, if I would have got short here, if I would have got short here, here, I would have made money. Now we want to get short off of a rejection level, aka pivot point, or on a confirmation through the 20 SMA, and we're going to get short. Where do you think we're going to target to take profits? Just look at the chart. I want you guys to use your brains. Where are you going to take profits if you get short anywhere here off the bell? Anywhere, I don't care. Again, with this strategy, with this indicator, you don't even have to have the most perfect entry, okay? Where are you thinking you're gonna go and take profits? Probably support level 1. Yes, would that make sense that we want to take profits here at support level 1? So if I get in anywhere here between 80s and the 90s or 17,000, even on the big drop here, I decide to, throw my money in short. I want to be taking profits into the first pivot level, or the first support level, which is 17,056. Guys, you're talking about a 20 point, 30 point move at least. And this is no headaches, no stress. Play 2-3 micro contracts. As long as we don't get over the pivot, sit short. That's all you need to do, sit short. If we break the support level 1, where do you think you want to take profits at? If we break it, support level 2, right? That price is all the way down here at 17,023. Guys, you're able to capture another 20 to 35 points on this move. You could actually double down, right? I've been using this analogy a lot. You're at the blackjack table. Dealer has a 4 that is showing. You have an 11. Double down. So if you're already short here and we break support 1 and it starts to confirm, double down, more size. We want to put more money into a move that's working, especially on momentum. So we're going to get in on this short, and where are we going to take profits? Here, 17,024. You could have essentially been in anywhere between the 70s or the 90s guys, and we're trading all the way down to the 24s. You picked up 50, 60 points. Your day is done. Bye. Bye. Go get a coffee. Go spend time with the wife. Go walk the dog. Go do something, but you just made your money. I hope this makes sense. I hope you guys are understanding. I want you guys to just go back and back test. For those of you guys that go back and back test, look at the pivot points. I want you guys to see what you see. If you want to learn more about pivot points and you want to learn more about some of the other indicators that I personally use on a day in and day out basis to scalp the NQ, guys, I recently just passed a $50,000 eval with Top Step. I did it in 7 days using different entries like this, taking $200 here, $300 there. Had a great day where I took $800 when the market was running on momentum. Why? Because I have tools in my belt that when we do something on the charts, I can do something, if that makes sense. I want to make this as realistic as possible, as simple as possible. I'm not going to tell you that you're going to win every trade because you will lose. I hit only at a 58, 59% win rate. However, my wins are bigger than my losses. How many of you guys out there right now are winning 50 bucks, winning $100, winning $40, losing 300? Winning 80, losing 250, winning 50, losing 300. You're backwards. We need to change that. Let's change that because normally it's a small fix that we can change, get you guys on the right side of the ball. Just wanted to bring this to your attention. Hope you guys all have a fantastic and safe New Year's Eve. Again, I will be working around the clock because again, I'm obsessed not only with teaching, but with trading. This is my business. This is my life. This is, I trade for a living. I have to eat off of it. I got to breathe off of it. So I will be here. I can go out. I can have time, go to dinner, do this and that. But when I have downtime where I'm not spending time with the family, I am here on these charts, back testing, journaling, getting better, working on my mindset, working on my emotions. Because again, 9 years into this business, I still get emotional and I have still things to work on each and every single day. I will be working around the clock this weekend. If you guys have any questions, you want to join me at Evolution Traders, that link is down in the description box below. But I'm here 24/7, guys. If you're not here ready to learn, go somewhere else. Go to that other YouTube channel where they're teaching you how to buy a Lamborghini in 30 days. Where they're telling you you're going to retire and make $1 million in the next 3 months. Go over there. I want real traders on this side. I want people who are going to take this business serious. People who are going to actually want to learn, want to backtest, want to journal, and want to actually get better at this skill. This is a skill set that once possessed, you have a skill set for life that can generate income. I'm not going to sit here and tell you you're going to make 6 figures this year, but you can definitely make a good side income. You can definitely start to replace that retirement fund. You can definitely start to inch your way into doing this away from your 9 to 5 and doing it full time. If you put in the work, you get with a team who can help you, you understand your emotions, you start to journal, you start to do the right things on a day in and day out basis, and you practice risk management. I'll see all of you guys on the inside of Evolution Traders.